Everyone, back tuning into today's video for the 5-day forecast. Today, you're going to have a detailed look at the weather for the next 5 days across the British Isles. It's generally quite a quiet sort of scene coming up over the next 5 days, but I think we will see some rain coming through at times, some showery bits and pieces of rain, always heaviest and more frequent in the north, but anywhere could get little bits of rain, I think, over the next 5 days. Temperatures are going to be around the seasonal average, although towards the end of the period I think it could get really quite cool, going a little bit below average, to be honest. Now, before I get on with the video, just talk about the advertising. There's green keyword ads on my pages at GadsWebBiz.com. If you roll your cursor over the green keywords, they'll display ads, but if you click through the word, you go to the advertiser's website and you'll be supporting GadsWebBiz.com. By doing that, and thanks very much for doing that. So we're going to start off with radar pictures, we always do. This from the UK Met Office. We've got some rain across Scotland just at the moment when I'm doing the video at 10 minutes to 10 in the morning. Some of that's quite heavy actually, but I think it will get lighter and patchier and turn more showery actually as the day goes on. Also notice these very heavy thundery showers, thunderstorms down to the south of the country. And very lucky we're not being hit by those today. Looks like they're just going to clip to the south, but they may just impact Kent, the coast of Kent, through the course of this morning in particular. But I think generally those storms will stay away on the other side of the channel. So have a look at today's synoptic pressure chart. There's the low pressure there over the Low Countries at 6 o'clock this evening. That's bringing all of that thundery weather on the other side of the channel. We're basically under a cold, which means everything is very slack. We're neither under high pressure or low pressure. We've got that weather front up over Scotland producing that area of rain. So that'll turn more showery through the course of the day. I think generally we're looking at sunshine and showers today. Most of the showers in the west, very few getting through to the south and the southeast. Two of those showers could be heavy and thundery, but they're going to be quite well scattered, to be honest, so certainly not everywhere will get them. But with the cold, the winds are very light, so if you do get a shower, it'll be slow moving, it'll be prolonged, you'll certainly know about it. Temperatures today probably getting somewhere to around 23, 24 is 75 Fahrenheit. Still a little bit above average for the time of year, but generally further north we are near normal at around 18 or 19 degrees. Now, overnight all of those showers will very quickly die away, and we're going to find a clear and dry night setting up for most parts of the country. It's going to get quite chilly again, particularly in the countryside and in the north, with temperatures into single figures for many parts of northern England, Scotland, away from the towns and cities, getting down to around 7 or 8 degrees. In the cities themselves, I think we're looking at temperatures nearer 12, 13, 14, so temperatures do hold up quite better in the towns and cities, but certainly in rural areas there will be a little tinge of autumn to the feel. First thing tomorrow morning. This is the chart for tomorrow morning. We've got high pressure trying to ridge in from the south, but the next area of low pressure is developing away to the northwest. I think basically we're looking at some cloud and rain moving into western Scotland and Northern Ireland through the course of the day. Elsewhere it's basically a sunshine and shower sort of situation. The showers will be more scattered than today. They'll be lighter than today as well. Many places are going to stay dry, I think, on Thursday. Temperatures again somewhere around 23 or 24 degrees at best. Now as we move through into Friday, we bring down a weather front across the country, a very weak front, but it'll be enough to thicken the cloud. Quite a lot of cloud around on Friday, with a band of light patchy rain moving south and east across the country, followed by sunshine and showers. As I say, in the south that rain should be quite light and patchy, but probably for northern England, Wales, Scotland, the rain could well be heavier. Temperatures will be a little bit down because there'll be more cloud around, somewhere around say 16 to 23 degrees, 23 being 73 Fahrenheit. As we go into the weekend, we're in a very similar sort of scenario. The high pressure is trying to ridge in from the Azores to the south, but got low pressure to the north of Scotland. Always more showers likely in the north and west, but driest and the brightest of weather in the south and the southeast. Not a terrible amount of weather going on, to be honest, but mainly dry in the southeast, some showers in the north. Temperatures again probably somewhere around say 16 to 23 degrees. And then on Sunday, things will go downhill a bit with this area of low pressure running to the north of Scotland. We'll be bringing down a cold front across the country. Notice the isobars are going round to the northwest, bringing down cooler air. So I think whilst we may start off dry and bright across England and Wales, we'll have another band of cloud and rain across Scotland and Northern Ireland. That pushing southwards, turning lighter and patchier again as it moves into the southeast, but enough to spoil the day, and it will turn cooler behind that band of rain, with temperatures in the north probably just 15 or 16 degrees at best. In the south we probably get up to around 21, 22 degrees before that band of cloud and increasingly light and patchy rain arise. And then as we move through into the end of the forecast period on Monday, the high pressure from the Azores is trying to ridge in, but low pressure is still to the northwest of the country, so more weather fronts will probably bring cloud and light rain in towards Scotland and Northern Ireland. Rest of the country mainly dry and bright with sunny spells, but there could well be some heavy showers around again on Monday. And the main thing about Monday is that it's going to be a much cooler day, with temperatures even in the south probably struggling to get up to 20 degrees. 20 is just 68 Fahrenheit. And in the north we're into the mid-teens at best. With that northwesterly wind it will feel really quite cool. So just have a look at the charts for the weather outlook, and this is the chart for today. We've got a few showers around the country, but also quite a bit of dry weather as well. Some of those showers will be heavy though and thundery, and they will be slow moving because the winds are very light under the calm. I think the emphasis is on mainly dry weather for Thursday. There will again be a risk of a shower somewhere, but I think most places will stay dry on Thursday. And then on Friday we've got a band of cloud and increasingly light and patchy rain moving south and east across the country, with brighter skies following into Sunday. Well, away from the north and the northwest, I think we're basically looking at a dry day with sunny spells. And as we go into Monday, then we find a band of cloud and patchy rain moving southwards again across the country, with sunshine and showers following. Temperatures do start to take a dip on Sunday, and by Monday we're in quite a cool sort of there, with sunshine and showers, mainly dry in the south, to be honest, most of the showers up in the north. So that's how it's looking. It does look as though we're in a pretty benign period of weather, really, nothing particularly extreme coming up, but the main thing is probably going to be the temperature slide as we get through to the latter stages of the period. I do think Sunday into Monday we will notice it feeling really quite cool across many parts of the country, but otherwise temperatures are holding up around, or maybe in some instances a little bit above the seasonal average. Certainly nothing exciting, but around the average with the temperatures. And it's sort of a showery type situation. Most of the showers in the north, very little rain in the south, but there will be some bands of lighter patchy rain moving south and east. So yeah, not much going on really, to be honest, and let's hope the weather starts getting more interesting soon. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.